Find the length of the nearest tenth. This is more practice on the cosine law. Find the third side if QP is 1.7. 1.7, there we go. QR is 3.1. There we go. And PQR, this angle, is 110. So, I'm going to flip out these letters. I'll put in something that fits the formula a little better. The cosine law says a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine A. A is the side you don't know. Angle A is across from it. And these other sides are B and C. So now that we have everything labeled so that it's compatible with the formula, we plug. You get a squared equals 1.7 squared plus 3.1 squared minus 2 times 1.7 times 3.1 cosine 110. So let's fill things in here as best we can. 1.7 squared is 2.89. And 3.1 squared is 9.61. And then we have minus 2 times 1.7 times 3.1 times 110 cosine. Now this comes out to negative, so be careful here, negative 3.6. So a squared is, one more line to work this out, 2.89 plus 9.61. These negatives cancel, so you get plus 3.6. Grand total 16.1. Square root both sides. And so A is 4.01. That's the missing side. Now, I'll put that triangle back in there. If you don't like what I did with the relabeling, it didn't have to be that way. P, Q, R. This is side P. Or, I'm sorry. This is side Q. And this is side P. And this is side R. The way I did it was to relabel the triangle so it fit the formula. You can also rewrite the formula so it fits your triangle. If you want to do it that way, then it would read Q squared equals P squared plus R squared minus 2PR cosine Q. The way you remember this is these, the ones in the middle where you know the angle and the side, those start and end the cosine law. You start out with the side that's up the middle, you end with the angle that's up the middle. Everything else is about the two off-center sides, the P and the R. So you have P squared and R squared, add them up, and then you have P and R, multiply them. So there's several memory tricks you can use to get through this. Remember, we don't have to give you triangles that are neatly labeled, so you have to do one of these things to adjust yourself. Either relabel the triangle or rewrite the formula. Pick one of those, whichever is your favorite, and it'll get you through all the rest of these problems where the triangles are not quite so nice.